Now, good afternoon, everybody. Morning, we have done some problems in the definite integrals. Now, let us see the next very, very important problem. That is the integral. Okay. Now, that is the integral 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, 1 by sin x plus cos x. Now, this integral is 1 by root 2 or root 2 into. This answer is a root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Why this problem is important means, and by using this problem we can solve the another problem, integral 0 to pi sin square x by, or 0 to pi by 2 sin square x by sin x plus cos x. We can find this integral 1 by root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Okay, now if we know this solution, we can find this integral. And one more is there, third one, integral 0 to pi by 2 x upon sin x plus cos x. We can find this integral also. Okay, now if we know this problem, we can solve these two. That's why this is a very, very important problem. That's why this problem is a very, very important problem. Okay. Now, therefore, this is a pi by 2 root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. That's why this problem is very, very important. If you know this one, we can write the solutions of those two. Now, let us solve this problem. This is a very simple. Okay, now let us see. Okay. Now, let us see here. This is the integral 0 to pi by 2, 1 by. Now, this sin x plus cos x, let us write into single term sign, like in the trigonometry. Right, multiply with root 2, divide with root 2. Is it okay? Multiply with root 2, divide with root 2 in the denominator. Now, this is the denominator. By into root 2, by root 2. Root 2 bring inside, root 2 cancelled, root 2 cancelled. Again, same problem. Right, we are dividing with root 2 and multiplying with the root 2. Now, this let us write integral 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this is a 1 by root 2 into, this is a sin x. This I am writing the cos 45. Is it okay? What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. And this is a sin 45. Let us write sin pi by 4. This is a cos x. See that what we written in this. First, what we are doing, into root 2 by root 2 we are writing first. After that one, this 1 by root 2 written cos pi by 4. What is cos pi by 4? 1 by root 2 only. And 1 by root 2 sin pi by 4. What is sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2 only. Here y written cos, y written sin here, because in trigonometry one formula is there. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the formula? Trigonometry formula. What is that? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sin of A plus B. That formula let us apply. Okay, this is a is a x and b is a pi by 4 sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. Okay, 0 to pi by 2. This by root 2 we can write outside the integral. Okay, na, right, 1 by sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. A is what? X. B is what? Pi by 4. Is it okay, all of you? Is it okay, all of you? Now, this is a 1 by sin is what? 1 by sine is cosec or not? 0 to pi by 2, 1 by sine theta, that is a cosec theta, cosec x plus pi by 4. Is it okay? What is a cosec integral? Do you know cosec integral? Cosec integral is what? Integral cosec theta, cosec x dx. Cosec x integral or cosec theta, let me write, no problem. Now cosec theta integral log of cosec theta minus cot theta. This is the one answer. What is that? Cosec theta integral log of cosec theta minus cot theta. Is there any other formula? By using the trigonometry, this write 1 by sine, this write cos by sine. Then finally, this will be the log of tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay, two formulas there. Cosec theta integral log cosec theta minus cot theta log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 or log theta by 2. If you simplify, finally that simplification will be log tan theta by 2. Pi by 4 we want to get directly. See that, very simple. I will explain this one. Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. This is a cos theta by sine theta. Okay, na? Tan theta by 2 we get. 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. Right? Now what is this? 1 minus cos theta, 2 sine square theta by 2. Do you know? 1 minus cos theta, 2 sine square theta by 2. Sine theta, 2 sine theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Do you know this one? 2 cancel that. 1 sine theta by 2 is also cancelled. What is the remaining? Log of sine by cos. What is the sine by cos? Tan theta by 2. This is another formula. Cosec theta, two formulas, remember. Cosec theta integral, maybe this formula, maybe this one, or maybe this also. Is it okay? Therefore, cosec theta integral is log tan theta by 2. Right, this is a total theta, cosec theta integral. Let us apply that formula. 1 by root 2 log of tan theta by 2. This is a theta, total, this is theta. What is that? Tan theta by 2. This theta by 2. This by 2 means x by 2 plus pi by 4 into 2. Is it correct? Is it correct or not? Cosec theta integral log tan theta by 2. This by 2. X by 2, pi by 4 by 2 means pi by 8. By using that formula, okay. Now let us apply limits from 0 to pi by 2. Is it okay, all of you? Is it okay, all of you? Now keep the upper limit. 1 by root 2 log of tan x equal to pi by 2 here. Pi by 2 by 2, how much? Pi by 4 plus pi by 8. Okay. Now keep the lower limit. X is equal to 0. Log tan 0 plus pi by 8. Log tan 0 plus pi by 8. Is it okay, all of you? Is it correct, all of you? Correct or not? What did we write? Keep the upper limit. Pi by 2 by 2. Pi by 4 plus pi by 8. Minus. Keep the lower limit. X 0. Tan 0 plus pi by 8. Is it okay? Okay ना. अच्छा. अच्छा इसको होल है. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. अच्छा रहने देना, थोड़ी देर के बाद फिर यूज होता। हाँ ओके 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 ओके, ले लेता हूँ। Right. Now let us see this one. This is a 1 by root 2. Okay. Log of, see that, tan 45 plus pi by 2. Tan, can we write cot? How we write tan theta? Tan theta. Let's suppose tan theta there. Cot 90 minus theta. Is there this formula? Is it okay or not? That I am writing tan. Tan is cot 90 minus theta. Is it okay? Right, this is the total, this is theta. Tan theta, cot 90 minus theta, this minus theta. Is it okay? By using this formula, tan theta will be written cot 90 minus theta. This is the theta, tan theta, cot 90 minus theta, this total minus theta. And what about this one? Log tan. Tan, can we write 1 by cot? Tan, can we write 1 by cot? 1 by cot pi by 8 can we write? Is it okay, all of you? This is 1 by root 2 log of cot 90 degrees minus 45 degrees. How much? 90 minus 45. How much this one? Pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus pi by 8. How much this? How much this? 90 minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus pi by 8. LCM, pi by 8. 2 pi minus pi. How much we got? Pi by 8 we got. Okay. 90 pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is a pi by 90. 90 minus 45. 90 minus 45. 45. 45 minus pi by 8. LCM 2 pi minus pi. Pi by 8 we got. Total this is a pi by 8. Okay, minus what we written here, tan theta. Tan theta is 1 by cot theta. Right. Now log A by B. Log A minus log B. This is a log 1 minus log cot theta. Is it okay, all of you? Now therefore this is a 1 by root 2 log cot pi by 8 minus log 1. Log 1 is 0. Minus into minus plus log cot pi by 8. Is it okay? Now see that cot pi by 8 plus log cot pi by 8. 2 log cot pi by 8. Is it okay, all of you? Therefore, this is I am writing here. That is, what is that one? 1 by root 2, right? Log cot pi by 8 plus log cot pi by 8. 2 log cot pi by 8. Is it okay, all of you? Any doubt in this? No doubt. Now, what is the 2 by root 2? This 2 will be written root 2 into root 2. Is there any problem? What is the 2? 2 nothing but root 2 root 2. What is the root 2 into root 2? 2 only. By root 2 is there. Okay. Right. Log cot pi by 8. Pi by 8 how many degrees? Pi by 8 how many degrees? Pi by 8 is how many degrees? Pi by 8 means 180 by 8, right? And this is a 4 2 times 4, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 45 by 2. 45 by 2 is it equal to 22.5 degrees? Okay, therefore pi by 8 nothing but 22.5 degrees. Do you know cot 22 and a half, tan 22 and a half? Remember those formulae. Tan 22 and a half. Do you know? Root 2 minus 1. Cot 22 and a half. Do you know? Root 2 plus 1. These are the two formulae you have to remember. See that. This is a cosec theta integral 1 formula. Maybe this formula, maybe this formula. right? And tan 22 and a half formula, cot 22 and a half degrees formula. This is pi by 8, nothing but 22 and a half degrees. This is a one root to cancel that. Root 2 into log of cot 22 and a half. What is cot 22 and a half? Root 2 plus 1. Therefore, this is the answer we got. See that root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. If you know this formula, if you know this answer, we can write the answers for this second and third one. Copy all of you. If you get any doubt, you can ask me. अगर कहीं डाउट आए तो पूछना. ओके, डोंट वरी, यू कैन आस्क मी डाउट. कॉपी ऑल ऑफ यू. थोड़ा सा बड़ा करो. क्या है इसका? ओके, ओके, नाउ ओके ऑल ऑफ यू. अच्छा, इस तरफ. ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग दैट साइड. ओके. Okay, now this is a formula. Cot 22 and a half root 2 plus 1, tan 22 and a half root 2 minus 1, pi by 8. Pi means 180 degrees by 8, right? 445 times 4 2 times 45 by 2, 22 and a half degrees. Okay, now here cot 22 and a half, I written root 2 plus 1, right? Now see here, then how we solve this problem by using this one. Let us see the second problem. That is 0 to pi by 2 sine square x by, that is a denominator sin x plus cos x. This question is there in the level 2. It is there in the level 2. In your exercise, in your material, in the level 2, see that somewhere it will be that. Now 0 to pi by 2 sin square by sin x plus cos x. This integral I am taking the I. This is the equation 1. Which formula we apply? Right, see that here what is that 1 is there, but here sin square, this numerator must be eliminated. How? See that integral 0 to a fx dx. How we write this one? Integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Can we write this one? This property. Let us use this property. First property. Apply this property. Okay, now this property we are using in many problems. Right? Now apply 0 to pi by 2. Right, wherever the x write a minus x, a is what? Pi by 2. Wherever the x write pi by 2 minus x, sin square pi by 2 minus x, in the denominator x is there, pi by 2 minus x, x is there, pi by 2 minus x. Is it okay, all of you? And in the next moment we get I 0 to pi by 2. What is sin 90 minus x? What is the sin 90 minus x? Is it cos x? Cos x square is there. Cos square x. Do you know? Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x only. Okay. Now this is second equation we got. See that how simple it is. Okay. Now let us see the sum of the two equations. 1 plus 2 implies 1 plus 2 implies equation 1 plus equation 2. I plus I. What is that? 2I. Limits is same. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Right. What about the denominator for both? Same denominator by sin x plus cos x. What about the numerators? Sum of the two numerators. We are adding these two. Sum of the two numerator, this plus this one, dx. By adding 1 and 2, we got like this. Now in this, sin square plus cos square is what? 1. Okay. Now therefore, this is the integral. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. 1 upon sin x plus cos x. Okay, see that 0 to pi by 2 we got this problem. Okay, this problem become this one. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 1 by sin x plus cos x. Already we got this answer. How much? Root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Therefore this is a root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Therefore what is this one? 2i. 2i is equal to what we got? Root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. This 2 right in the denominator this side. I will be root 2 by 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Is it okay, all of you? What we did in this? That 2 right in the denominator this side. That 2, this 2 can we write root 2 into root 2? 2 nothing but root 2 into root 2. Root 2 by 2 nothing but root 2 into root 2. Log of root 2 plus 1. Is it okay, all of you? That 2 written root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 is cancelled. What is the answer we got? 1 by root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Therefore, I is equal to what? I is equal to what? 1 by root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. I means this only. This answer what we got? This I is equal to what we got? 1 by root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. Is that correct? 1 by root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. See that how much this problem important in that definite integrals. That's why this solution you practice first. Okay? Right. Copy all of you. After this, I will tell this also. Copy now. Okay, copied all of you. Now let us see the third one. What is the third one? Okay. What is the third one? Third one integral. Third question is the integral 0 to pi by 2 x upon sin x plus cos x dx. How we find this integral? How we find that integral? Okay. Now here, now like this we did yesterday one problem. X is there. In any problem, if x present, that x must be eliminated. I told yesterday, yesterday or day before yesterday, right? This x must be eliminated every time, right? Now, how we eliminate? By using this formula 0 to a f x dx. Apply the first property 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Right, by using that property, that x must be eliminated in any problem, whatever the problem may be, that x must be eliminated. Okay, now let us see how we eliminate. This is I consider 0 to pi by 2 x upon sin x plus cos x. This is the integral I. This consider one equation 1. Is it okay, all of you? Right, in any problem, if x is there, that x must be eliminated always to get the solution. To get the solution, that x must be eliminated in every problem. Right, now let us apply this formula wherever the x, right, a minus x here, x is there, a minus x, pi by 2 minus x, wherever the x, a minus x, pi by 2 minus x. Here also sin pi by 2 minus x. Wherever the x, write a minus x. Here x is there, pi by 2 minus x. Here x is there, cos pi by 2 minus x. Is it okay, all of you? And this in the next step. Integral 0 to pi by 2 minus x by sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Do you know? Right, this is equation 2. Now how that x eliminated? If we write sum of these two, plus x minus x will be cancelled. Okay, now let us write 1 plus 2 implies 1 plus 2, this is a 1, this is a 2, I plus I 2i. Integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Same limits, same denominator, sin x plus cos x. Here also sin x plus cos x. Is it okay? And what about the denominator? Sum of the numerators, x plus pi by 2 minus x plus pi by 2 minus x dx. Is it okay? Minus x plus x. Cancel that. Now see that how that x is eliminated. Right, same method we apply in every problem. Now 2i is equal to what? 2i is equal to, right, this is a pi by 2. Pi by 2 constant, that will be common from the integral. Pi by 2 is common. Integral 0 to pi by 2. What is the remaining? If I take the pi by 2 common, there is a remaining into 1. 1 upon sin x plus cos x. Is it okay, all of you? Now this is a 2i is equal to pi by 2 into. What about this integral? This integral first one, 0 to pi by 2. There is also 0 to pi by 2. 1 upon. There is also 1 upon. Sin x plus cos x. That is also sin x plus cos x. Therefore, this integral already we got root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. This integral what? Root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Is it okay? Now this 2 also write that side. See here 2i pi by this 2 can we write root 2 into root 2? Can we write like that? 2 nothing but root 2 into root 2. Again root 2 into root 2 what? 2 only. Now 1 root 2 will be cancelled. Cancel that root 2. This 2 bring that side. I is equal to pi by 2 into root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. See that is that correct answer? Pi by 2 root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. I is what? I is the given problem we are taking. I is what now? 0 to 0 to now again I write 0 to pi by 2 x upon what is there? Sin x plus cos x dx. Therefore, now we got this answer. Pi by 2 root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Is it okay, all of you? Understood, everyone? Right? That's why this problem is very, very important. If you know this, we can add the solutions for these two. Okay, na? Copy all of you. Okay. Copied, everyone. Now let us see the next one. Now the problem based on like this only. Integral x into fx, integral from a to b, like this. Okay, x is there, right? Now same method we apply in this also. Now I1 is given integral 1 to 2 x into root x plus under root of 3 minus x. Okay, and I2 the given integral 1 to 2, that is root x plus root of 3 minus x dx. Then what is I1 by I2? Then what is I1 by I2? They are asking. See that. Now it is also same, x is there. How we eliminate x? Same method we can apply here. X is there, x into, x is there, x into there, x into there. This x is not there in this. Okay. Now therefore same method we can apply. I am taking the I1 integral 1 to 2 x into under root of x plus under root of 3 minus x dx. Is it okay? Now here see that what about this one, integral 0 to a f x dx, that will be written integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Same formula to eliminate x. In the last problem we did, right? I1, right? But here limits are not 0 to a, then what we do? Which property? Before this property what it was? Is there any other property? And the limits are not from 0 to a to b, of x dx. What is the property? Integral a to b, right? Wherever the x, right? Sum of the limits minus x, a plus b minus x. Is it okay? If it is not 0 to a, apply this one. Okay. Now a to b limits are there. A to b, apply this. Wherever the x, right? A plus b minus x. Okay, now this is the integral 1 to 2. X is there. This is a, this is a b. A plus b minus x. A plus b. A is a 1, b is a 2. A is a 1, b is a 2. A plus b minus x. That is a 1 plus 2 minus x. Right, 3 minus x. Right, wherever the x, right, 3 minus x. Bracket of under root of 3 minus x. Here also, wherever the x, 3 minus x into dx. Is it okay? Now after this, now see here I1 integral 1 to 2 3 minus x. Is it okay? Now what about this one? 3 cancelled. This is a minus of minus plus x root x. I am writing this one first. Plus what about this one? Under root of 3 minus x. We got like this. Okay. Is it okay, all of you? Now let us see this one. I1 integral 3 into this minus x into this. Integral 1 to 2, 3 into this one. 3 into root x plus root of 3 minus x. Minus x into under root of x plus under root of 3 minus x. Able to follow? I1 is what? 3 common, integral 1 to 2 root x plus under root of 3 minus x dx minus this integral separate 1 to 2, this integral x into root x plus under root of 3 minus x dx. Okay, now this is the I1. What about this 3 into? Looking in that, Right. Let us write up to this only. Is it okay? Okay, okay, looking right. Now I1. I1 is, what is I1? I1 is 3 times of, 3 times of, what is this called? Integral 1 to 2 x not there. Right, 1 to 2 root x plus root of 3 minus x. This is the I2. Therefore, this integral is I2. 3 times of I2. This is the I2. What about this one? 1 to 2 x into root x plus root of 3 minus x. This is nothing but I1. Is it okay? Therefore, I1 equal to 3 into I2, 3 into I2 minus this is the I1. Is it okay? Able to follow? Now this minus I1 bring this side. I1 plus I1, 2I1, 3 times of I2. 2 right there in the denominator. I2 right here in the denominator. 2 right there in the denominator. I1 by I2. Able to follow? 2 right there in the denominator. There is a 3, 3 by 2. Therefore, I1 by I2 is a 3 by 2. Okay, able to follow all of you? Copy now. Class. ఇప్పుడుందా ఇప్పుడా ఉట్టిగానే ఫోన్ చేసిన చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా చేయలే ఇంకా ఓకేనా ఓకే ఓకే ఫ్రీ ఉంటారా ఎప్పుడు 5 తర్వాత అయిపోతే ఇప్పుడు 5 క్లాస్ మీకు అయిపోయిందా ఉంటారా మీరు వెళ్ళిపోతారా ఉంటారా ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు వెళ్ళిపోతారా సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఉంటారా అచ్చా నేను కిందకి వచ్చే ఉంది Okay, did you complete all of you? Copy soon. Okay, now let us see one more. This is the integral minus 2 2 plus 2. These are the problems. Okay, now in this definite integral, now again after this 2 3 properties are there, right? Those concepts I will tell you tomorrow. Now let us see minus 2 to 2 x power 11 cos x plus e power x. Integral is what? This integral they are asking. Okay, what is that? Minus 2 2 plus 2 x power 11 cos x plus e power x dx. Now this can be separate like this, minus 2 to 2 x power 11 cos x plus integral minus 2 to 2 e power x dx. Do you know this one? Okay, now this integral separate, this integral separate. Now wherever the limits from minus a to plus a, Then what we check and when that will be 0? What we check that? Minus a2 plus a. Now in any problem, minus a2 plus a, right, this integral. This will be the 0 if what is that? If f of minus x is equal to minus fx. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of that? F of minus x is equal to minus fx. What is the meaning of this? Odd function. Now, if function is odd, integral will be 0. Function is odd, integral will be 0. Now, this will be the 2 times 0 to a f x dx. When this is possible, if f of minus x is equal to plus fx. What is the meaning of this one? This called even. This called even. Able to follow all of you? That is called even. Right. Now, f of minus x minus fx odd, this integral 0. F of minus x is equal to plus fx, 2 times 0 to a fx dx. Right. If we get like this called even, if we get like this called odd function integral 0. What limits must be there for odd function? For odd even, that limits must be minus a to plus a. But don't apply this property for 0 to a. Don't say this is 0 if fx is odd. Okay? Don't write like this. Right? If 0 to a, don't apply fx is odd, this integral 0. If limits from minus a to plus a only, then you check odd even. If 0 to a, what we check that? If 0 to a not even odd, what we check? This 0, if f of a minus x is equal to minus fx. Right? I said all this. 0 to a fx dx will be 0 if f of a minus x is minus fx. This means fx is not odd, not even. Right? F of a minus x minus fx, if we get like that, it means not even, not odd. Right? Only simply f of a minus x is minus fx. That integral 0. This is a 2 times 0 to a by 2 fx. If f of a minus x is equal to plus fx. These are different. These are different from these. If limits 0 to a, you apply these two. If limits from minus a to plus a, apply odd even. Okay? Limits from minus a to plus a, check whether this function odd or even. Fx what? X power 11 cos x. Right? This is the fx. F of minus x what? Minus x power 11 cos minus x. Minus x power odd degree, minus x power 11 cos minus theta. Do you know what is cos minus theta? Minus cos theta or plus cos theta? Plus cos theta. Cos minus theta plus cos theta. Now this is a minus. What is the x power 11 cos x? Nothing but fx. What we got? See that f of minus x, we got minus fx. What is the meaning of this one? This is a meaning, this means odd. This function is odd. Since it is odd, what about this integral? 0. Now, is it even or odd? Now, consider fx. Apply this one. If we get minus fx 0, if we get plus fx, we can add 2 to 0 to a. Now, but in this fx, you are not getting this one, you are not getting this. Right? For this fx, if you apply this formula, you won't get minus fx, you won't get plus fx. Neither even nor odd. This is a neither you get this one nor you get this. That's why this e power x is a neither even nor odd. See that. This is a fx. Consider e power x, f of minus x, e power minus x. Is it minus fx? No. This is the e power minus x is 1 by e power x. 1 by e power 1 by fx you are getting. But you are not getting this one, not getting this. That's why it is neither even nor odd. That's why neither even a rod directly integrate. This integral separately we should write. Now therefore this integral 0 plus integral minus 2 to 2 e power x dx same as it is. It is not even, not odd. You are not getting this one, you are not getting this. But what you are getting, 1 by fx you are getting. That's why it is not even it is not odd. That's why we won't apply this property for this. Okay, able to follow? Right, e power x integral is what? E power x integral, e power x only. Keep the limits minus 2 to 2. Keep the upper limit e power 2. Keep the lower limit e power minus 2. Okay, got it? Okay, now this is the fx. F of minus x is minus fx. Odd function integral 0. Okay. Now this you are not getting like this or like this. Neither even Narad. Don't apply that property for this. For this we have to integrate. This is a 0. This integral as it is. E power x integral e power x. Keep the upper limit minus keep the lower limit. Now in the hyperbolic sin hx is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Sin h2, put x equal to 2 both side. What we are keeping? Put x equal to 2, x2, x2. Okay, by 2. That 2 bring this side. 2 sin h2 is equal to e power 2 minus e power minus 2. Able to follow? Is it okay? Sin hx e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Put x2 here 2 here 2. That 2 bring this side. E power 2 minus e power minus 2 is what? 2 sin h2. What about this one? 2 sin h2. Able to follow all of you? This is a very simple problem. Okay? Right. Copy all of you. This called hyperbolic. Okay? Copy. Now in the IIT, that this hyperbolic functions are not there. Sin hx function not there in the IIT in the mains and advanced. Right. Therefore, what they give answer? They won't give this one. They give this is the answer. In the mains, they say only this is the answer. They won't give in terms of sin h. These are a hyperbolic topic in trigonometry. This topic is not there in the IIT. That's why they won't give the answer, this answer. They say this is the answer. Okay, copy all of you. Did you copy all of you? Now let us see one more. This is the integral from minus a to plus a alpha sine power 5x plus beta tan cube plus gamma cos x. This integral depends upon whether alpha on beta on gamma. Depends upon alpha beta gamma means now this solution in terms of whether it is in alpha or in beta or in gamma. Okay na? Now let us solve this one. Separate the integral minus a2 plus a. Now alpha into sine power 5x dx. Integral beta minus a2 plus a beta tan power 3x dx plus integral minus a2 plus a gamma cos x dx. Okay, alpha common from the integral, constant is there. Beta common from the from the integral, gamma common from the integral. Is it okay, all of you? What we are doing? This integral, this integral, this integral. Now, after this one, see here, what about this? Limits are from minus a to plus a. Then what we apply? Limits from minus a to plus a, apply whether it is even or odd. Same property. See that. Now, see here, fx is a sine power 5x. What is the f of minus x? Put x is equal to minus x. Sine minus theta minus sine theta minus sine x whole to the power of 5. Right? Now odd degree minus is there. Minus sine power 5x. It is not even degree. Suppose the 4 is there, it becomes a plus. Degree is odd. Minus power 5. Minus only. Now therefore what we got? Minus sine power 5 nothing but fx. What we got? F of minus x is minus fx. This is the odd. This odd function. Integral 0. What about this one? Tan cube also odd. Okay. Now that let us consider same fx is a tan cube. Right? F of minus x. Tan cube minus x. Tan minus theta. Tan minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. Is it okay, all of you? Minus tan x whole to the power of 3. Right? Minus power degree odd. Minus degree odd. Minus common. Minus tan cube x. Minus tan cube is fx. It is also odd. Okay, this is also odd. Therefore, this integral 0. But what about the cos x? Cos x is a even. Cos minus x. Okay, copy all of you up to this. Now see that. Okay, copied all of you. Copy first. Now see here. What about the cos x? Fx is a cos x. That is a f of minus x. Cos minus x. Cos minus theta. Cos minus theta plus cos theta. Is it okay, all of you? Cos x is what? Fx. F of minus x plus fx even. This function is a even. This is a even. Okay. Now since it is a even, see that. Now if it is even, what we write? Gamma times of 2 times of 0 to a cos x dx. Is it okay, all of you? If it is even, what we write? See that integral minus a to plus a of x dx. This will be the 2 times of 0 to a of x dx. When we write, if f of minus x is a plus fx even, right? If fx is a even, if fx is even 2 times, cos x is a even plus fx, we got 2 times 0 to a cos x. Is it okay, all of you? This 0, 2 gamma cos x integral. Cos x integral what? Sin x. Limits from 0 to a. 2 gamma sin a. Keep the upper limit minus keep the lower limit. Therefore, 2 gamma sin A, that is sin 0, 0. Therefore, this answer depends upon what? This answer depends upon gamma and A, right? In this, why? Because in this answer, gamma is there, A is there. Suppose if I change the gamma, this answer changes. Suppose if I change A, this answer changes. That's why this answer depends on gamma and A. Is it okay? That will be in the options 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, copy all of you. Okay, did you copy all of you? And see the next one. Integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Sine of log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. Is it okay, all of you? What about this answer? Integral from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine of log x plus under root of x square plus 1 dx. Okay, now whether it is odd or even. Why odd or even? Wherever the limits from minus a to plus a, you check whether it is odd or even. Odd integral 0, even 2 times of 0 to a, like that. Okay, that's why we have to check that. That's why we have to check that limits from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, whether it is odd or even. Okay, now fx is what here? Suppose I am taking this one, fx is equal to sine of log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. Okay, now wherever the x, keep that minus x. Sine of log of x is there, minus x plus under root of x is there, minus x whole square plus x only, minus x whole square plus only. Now this can we write like this? Sine of log of. First I am writing this one. Next write to minus x. Is it okay, all of you? Next step, sine of log of x square plus 1 minus x multiply with under root of x square plus 1 plus x divide with under root of x square plus 1 plus x. Is it okay, all of you? What we are doing here? Multiply with this, divide with this. Rationalizing. Now this is this is a a minus b, a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. What is that? Sine of log of a minus b into a plus b, a square. This is a square means root cancelled. A square minus b square by under root of x square plus 1 plus x. Is it okay? Now what about the numerator? Sine of log of square root square cancelled, x square plus 1 minus x square by what is the denominator? X square plus 1 square root plus x square is cancelled. Now in the next step I am writing sine of log of 1 upon x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, now what is this one? Log a by b. What is the log a by b? Log a by b, log a minus log b. Now see here what we're doing. Fx is this one, limits from minus a to plus a. Check whether it is even or odd. If it is odd, integral will be 0. Now fx is this one, x minus x, right, minus x whole square is plus x square. Now this minus this, multiply with this, divide with this. That is, what is that meaning? Rationalizing this numerator. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. This square minus this square. Root square cancelled. X square plus 1 minus x square. X square is cancelled or not? Okay, what we written? This is 1 by under root of x square plus 1 plus x we got. Is it okay, all of you? Now after this, let us see sine of This f of minus x equal to what is this one? This is the f of minus x we are writing. Log a by b, log a minus log b, sine of log a minus log b. Is it okay, all of you? This is a, this is a b. Log of a by b, log a minus log b. Log of what formula? Log of a by b. This is a log a minus log b. Is it okay? Able to see there? This is a log of a by b, log a minus log b. Is it okay? Now this is a log 1 0 minus log of under root of x square plus 1 plus x. Is it okay, all of you? Is it okay, all of you? Now what we do here? What we do here? Sine minus theta. This is the minus. Sine minus theta. What is that? Total, this is theta considered. Sine minus theta. Do you know sine minus theta is minus sine theta? Okay. Now therefore sine minus theta minus sine theta. Log of under root of x square plus 1 plus x. Now this is a minus. What about this one? What is that? Sine of log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. Sine of log of under root of x square plus 1 plus x. Therefore, this is nothing but fx. This is a fx. F of minus x we got minus fx. What is the meaning of this one? What it means? F of minus x minus fx called odd. Now, therefore, this is a odd function. Fx is odd. Therefore, this is a odd function. Since it is odd, what about the integral? Integral is 0. Therefore, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sine of log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. This integral is 0. Why 0? Since it is odd. Odd function integral 0. When we check that odd even, if it limits from minus a to a only. Suppose if they give this problem, can you say 0? I am giving 0 to pi by 2 sine of log of, okay, x plus under root of x square plus 1 dx. Is it 0? No. Why? Limits are not minus a to plus a. If the limits from like this minus a to plus a only, if it is odd 0, this odd, okay, we know this is odd. But limits are what? 0 to pi by 2, not 0 to 0 to a, not minus a to plus a like this. That's why don't say this is 0. For odd function, limits from must be minus a to plus a. Then only we write 0. If it is a problem like this, though this is odd, we can't say 0. We can't say 0. Can you recollect this one? Keep in mind this. Though the function is odd, 0 to a, don't write 0. If the limits from minus a to plus a only, if it is odd, 0. Okay? Copy all of you. Okay. Okay, copied all of you. Same way, what about this integral? Minus 1 to plus 1 log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. Now here also limits from minus a to plus a. Check whether it is even or odd. Right, f x is this one. Log of x plus under root of x square plus 1. Here also check that f of minus x. If we get minus fx, then this integral will be 0. Otherwise, it is not 0. You check that one. Can you solve this problem? Same way, can you solve this problem? Here also limits from minus a to plus a. You check whether it is odd or even. Okay, then say the answer. Okay, today we have completed some problems from the level 1. Level 1, some problems we have completed, and also some important problems also told. Okay, right. For today, I'm closing this class. Right, thank you all.